turned up at the NZMCA park, which is closest to Wellington. And it's quite full. Got pretty crowded last night. There is a motorhome that managed to squeeze in between me and the other motorhome. Looking online, I kept learning that there's apparently a 3-meter rule between vehicles, more for fire safety, but this motorhome's definitely closer than 3 meters. It's basically just a gravel area with a dump station in the middle. So right now the motorhomers are dumping their waste before they're heading off for the day. I'm having a relaxing morning, just kind of chilling, and yeah, make the most of being close to a city and plan to go shopping. Pretty sure at the last campground someone stole my favourite hoodie, so it made me realise I actually don't have that many winter clothes with me at the moment, so I'm going to go and find a new hoodie. So I've stayed 2 nights and I think I'm going to move up the road just half an hour to a proper campground that's got showers. I ended up driving to a pool and paid $2.50 to use their shower. But this morning I'm just going to wait until I move to the next campground. It's just, I suppose if I was just moving all the time and staying at these type of places all the time, I would just get used to my shower maybe, or tweak it or modify it so that it's more enjoyable to use. And another part just broke. That's the flap for the water. So now I'm just going to use some duct tape for now and look into how much it will be to buy a replacement. I'm actually ridiculously excited about this little ensuite in a way. This is my very own shower toilet cabin. It's right next to the Caravan. Every single site has one. It's the first time I've come across something like this, and it's a fantastic idea. I can't remember the last time I left my shampoo and conditioner out. It's a good feeling. If I was getting my Caravan again, I would definitely get one with a better shower. I'm seriously loving this campground. Apparently it's a quieter season, all the holidays and summer dramas have passed. It's really quiet. There's a few permanent, but I asked for a quiet spot and I'm definitely given a quiet spot. Tucked away right in the corner. Laundry happens to also only be $2 instead of $4 at most places, although they're smaller machines. But I've managed to do 2 loads and fit in more than all. The downside is there's no proper line to hang the washing, so I've just made one. I'm going to do the little fix-it jobs today. So I'm being cheap and I'm just going to use this, duct tape it and add a couple of screws as kind of a temporary fix. Yeah, I don't know, maybe just buying some thin wooden board could be a long-term fix. But it feels very dry, which is good. For added security. Whoops. Yeah, that's where the hole is. Cover that hole with some more duct tape. Kind of defeats the purpose, adding more holes. So this is really just a temporary measure. Do you think that'll do the job for now? So a couple of people have mentioned if I undo the bracket holding the pipe to the Caravan, I should be able to slot the pipe in better. So while I'm here, I'm going to give that a go. It's a really awkward angle. Well, that is going in better. This is good to know. I'm definitely learning more about my caravan. I was hoping that wouldn't happen. Somewhere on the ground. There it is. Okay, try not to drop the screw a third time. Oh, my arms are sore already. It's quite awkward. Third time. The screw is somewhere in this grass. There it is. Found it. This is so tight. Alright, fourth time. Don't drop. Might make a new hole. Just to make sure it stays. I think that's in. That pipe's more firmly in now. And while looking at spats, I also think I've found a replacement cover for this. I can get just that, I think. And an update about the spat, or the wheel guard I think it's also called. In the comments from the flat tyre video, someone gave me a link to a place in the UK and I could get a second-hand version for £60. But then when I asked for how much it cost to ship, it was 4 times that price. It's like £240 just to ship to New Zealand. I'm hoping maybe one of the New Zealand companies have mates that can ship it over cheaper. They must know cheaper ways, otherwise they would not make any money. I'm quietly proud about this. I grew these chilies from seed and I've got 3 chilies. One's going red. I really like this campground. It's just so novel having your own ensuite. I've stayed here 4 nights and I've worked online for 2 of those days, and then the 3rd day I did travelling K work and then saw some family in the area. So it's been like the perfect base really, and would go for walks along the beach, which is just a block away, like twice a day really. It's been an awesome stay. I think I'll be coming back. And this is what happens when you get distracted filming inside. Filling up the water tank in the car boot because I can't lift it in otherwise. And it overflows. Luckily not too much. I might just need to take everything out of the boot when I get to the next campground. GPS sent me off in the wrong direction, and there were too many cars behind me to kind of correct myself, so looks like the next left I just do a sharp left and a sharp left and I'll end up going in the right direction.
Continue on Campbell Road for kilometres.
It really sent me on a roundabout way. Oh, so stupid. This GPS on my phone has sent me on the weirdest route. But I think I've made it to the park.
In 300 metres, you will arrive at your destination.
I'm not even sure if this is how you're supposed to. Right on the river. Flat and spacious, felt very safe. I'm not sure where you're supposed to park. I don't know whether this is fine. I might go for a walk and try and find a sign. There's one other self-contained van further down. I might stay here. It feels pretty private. I think there's a path down to the river. Could be interesting tomorrow. I'm right next to a sports field. Tomorrow's Saturday. So that might just motivate me to keep moving. So I'm just going to set up. I've still got that water to deal with in the boot. It's just this is very damp. And then that. And then all under there.